SculptFun Automatic Air Pump Set. Please open the subtitles in the settings and automatically translate. When we cut the wooden board, we should use air assistance. It can make the cutting edges of the wooden board very clean. When we engraved, opening the air assistance will make the carved picture blur. SculptFun Automatic Air Pump Kit can help us control the air-assisted switch in the software, which is very convenient. Installation tutorial. Step 1. Remove the old motherboard without air pump control function. Step 2. Take out the new motherboard for installation. Step 3. Replace the automatic air pump. To achieve the automatic air pump control function, you must use Lightburn as the control software, and the software version is higher than 1.0. Correctly setting the air pump switch will make your crafts very clean. On the contrary, when you cut off the air assistance, the edge of the cut will be yellowed by smoke. When you are carved, you can turn on the air, and the picture will be blurred by the airflow. When you engrave the gray image, it is more obvious,